Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to find beats for your tracks in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and after opening it up you want to go ahead and log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Bandlab, where you can see all the trending videos, you can see the posts by other users, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with creating a new track and finding the beats for our tracks. It's very easy guys, and it's all in one place, and all you have to do is just go ahead and click right here on this plus button in the middle part of the screen. At the bottom part of the screen, click on the plus button. That's going to take us to this new page where we can get started creating our new track. So you can either import a new file, you can add your voice and audio, and so on. And as you can see, if you scroll down, there is going to be a big beats section. And guys, here we can find all the beats that are for sale. You have drops, hot beats, jam tracks. You can select whichever category you want and find the beats that you want to purchase. You can see the prices next to them, and if you're familiar and interested into a beat, you can go ahead and start purchasing it, and after that it'll be added to your account that you'll be able to use right here for Bandlab. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.